Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how TRIM detects your paycheck. Have you ever wondered how TRIM knows when you get paid? Well, let's break it down. TRIM connects to your linked bank account and uses smart transaction analysis to detect incoming paychecks. When a deposit matches your usual payroll provider or has recognizable patterns like direct deposits or your employer's name, TRIM flags it as an income. It doesn't just look at the amounts, it checks frequency, timing, and keywords in the transaction description to confirm that it's a paycheck. Once detected, TRIM automatically adds it to your financial overview, helping you to track income, set budgets, and calculate savings potential more accurately. If you notice a paycheck isn't showing up, you can manually tag it. Just tag on the transaction and then choose mark as income or a similar option. This trains TRIM to recognize future deposits more accurately. And that's how TRIM detects your paycheck without you lifting a finger. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to track freelance income in TRIM. So be sure to like and subscribe to stay financially sharp. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.